Everyone asks, how do I become a millionaire? Wrong question. The right question is, what actually changes at each level of wealth? Because here's what nobody tells you. Going from $0 to $10,000 changes your life more than going from 1 million to 5 million ever will. There are 6 levels of wealth. Most people are stuck on level 1 and don't even know it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which level you're on and exactly what changes at the next one. Level 1. Net worth, $0 to $10,000. 20% of American households live here. This is the level where bad luck gets magnified. A $200 car repair isn't an inconvenience. It can spiral into missed work, missed pay, missed rent. One bad week becomes 6 bad months. There's no cushion. Every decision is urgent. You're not choosing between good and great, you're choosing between bad and worse. Here's the milestone that changes everything at this level. $10,000 in savings. Not because the number itself is magic, but because hitting it proves something. It proves you can stick to a plan. It proves bad luck can't end you anymore. That's not wealth. That's survival becoming stable. Level 2, $10,000 to $100,000. This is where most people who are doing fine actually live. Researchers call this grocery freedom. You stop checking prices on every item. You buy the nicer eggs without flinching. Here's the part that should blow your mind. If you invest $100,000 by age 35 and never add another dollar, at an 8% average return, it grows to over 1 million by 65. No more contributions, just time. This is the level where you stop just earning money and your money starts earning money for you. Level 3, $100,000 to $1 million. This is the hardest level, not financially, psychologically. You can see the goal. $1 million feels close enough to taste and far enough to feel impossible. This level rewards one thing only: boring, repetitive consistency. When you finally cross 1 million, something shifts that has nothing to do with spending power. It's psychological. You realize wealth isn't just for other people or big institutions, it's for you too. Now your money alone can generate $40,000 to $45,000 a year without you lifting a finger. That first million isn't really about the money. It's about proving the snowball is real. Level 4, 1 million to 10 million. This is where most people imagine rich begins. It's actually where something quieter begins: freedom of choice. Researchers call this travel freedom. You can upgrade the seat, stay somewhere nicer. But here's what nobody mentions. Moving past this level takes a different game entirely. Saving $100,000 a year after your first million still takes 23 years to reach 10 million at a 5% return. The people who cross this level usually do it through business ownership, not salary. This is also the level where your house stops counting the way you think it does. The feeling of wealth and the number on paper start to separate. Past 10 million, something strange happens in the data. Researchers surveying founders found that below 50 million, people are overwhelmingly motivated by financial security. But at 50 million, that motivation completely vanishes from the data. It just disappears. 50 million might be the real enough number, the point where the worry simply stops. But here's the twist almost nobody talks about. Past 20 million, there's barely anything left to meaningfully improve your actual day-to-day life. Beyond that point, more wealth becomes a game, a scoreboard, not a lifestyle upgrade. So here's what 6 levels of wealth actually teach you. Wealth was never one finish line. It's 6 different kinds of freedom, unlocked one at a time. You don't need to imagine level 6 to make progress today. You just need to know exactly which level you're on and what the next one actually unlocks. That's the real wealth ladder. Climb one rung, not the whole staircase. Follow for more stories like this.